Welcome back everyone, it's Louis Crypto here with another Bitcoin update. So last week we were talking about how we needed to climb above these moving averages to stop a death cross from happening. Can you now see price climbed above, failed to continue higher? We've come back underneath, lost the 20, and it looks like these EMAs over here are about to form a bearish cross. We're going to dive into where Bitcoin is heading to next, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share these videos. Otherwise, please do enjoy it. We did have some bullish divergence. That's what gave us this opportunity to form an EMA repel, which would essentially send us in a slingshot motion back up to 29, 30k. We were already saying even if price gets up to 29, 30k, this does not mean Bitcoin is bullish. In fact, it would just be a bearish retest. We see to the left, this was our true resistance between 29 and 30k. We then broke above, confirmed its support multiple times, made a higher high, and then it ended up being a fake out as we came back down beneath the support, using it as resistance, showing us that this is the true top of the market, and then the price above this point is all a fake out. So even if this bullish divergence played out, as we had a support that was broken but failing to lose this low, meaning that this is a higher low, with the bullish divergence giving us one more opportunity to break out over here. But understanding that to the left, this our true resistance, this the fake out, that even if with this bullish divergence price came back up, had an EMA repel with a slingshot motion to 29, 30k, would have still meant that it's in a downtrend, as it would still be lower than this point. As if this is the true resistance, this would be the top of the market, and this top would be lower than that, suggesting lower highs with eventual lower lows below this point. Now, we never got that pump all the way up there. Why? Because we didn't form that EMA repel where price climbs back above this point and then continues higher to 29, 30k. So what is about to happen is this death cross, which essentially means downtrend continuation. We can see if this is where we peaked, it's lower than that, it's lower than that, it's lower than that, and it's lower than that. So we get consistent lower highs. Now we're going to look for bearish divergences. However, with my personal indicator over here, I do not see some. But if we scale down to the 12-hour time frame, yes, the 12-hour, we can see over here that price momentum is going up, while the price over here is actually showing lower highs. So while the momentum's coming up, this is actually coming down. We've got a disagreement in the chart that's called bearish divergence. We can see on the 12-hour time frame where we topped out underneath the 200 EMA, which is basically just suggesting where the top of our downtrend is, because if we are beneath this, if price is beneath this moving average, it suggests that we're in a downtrend, and every time we come up to it, it should act as our top. And as this is a downtrend, our tops become lower highs, and we can see that right over here. And now we've got this bearish divergence where price is trending high on here, but price is trending lower over here. And so yeah, this disagreement essentially gives us this push down to the downside. And then I think in my last video I said we need to maintain 25.8k. We're just going to show you that right now. 25.7, 25.8k is our golden pocket. So if we are to get a bounce, it's going to be from right over here. This bounce then needs to break above this 27.5k high. So we're now essentially trapped in this range. We can see in the past that this was a true resistance, and we had a fake out that came back under, confirmed it as resistance. So even if we bounce from here, I'm expecting this to act as our resistance for us to see if we can trend back down to the lower end of this range. You might get a bounce that breaks out over here. That would be absolutely lovely. But if we are to pump from this point into key levels of resistance, come back down, usually you're meant to continue something like this, but I would know that we've just fallen back beneath this resistance, which should have been acting as support. So if we bounce from this area, we're just pumping back up into resistance and potentially falling down low. I will be here to update you guys, because you can just bounce from here again, get a double bottom or whatnot. So we will keep our eye on that. But for the moment, what I'm suggesting now for Bitcoin, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, is that we are coming back down to 25.8 and then having a little bounce towards 26.5 to see if we can break out. If it fails, we're consolidating between the two before a range break. So lose 25.7k, we're coming back down to 25. Break 26.5k, we're going back to 27.5k. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. And if any of you want me to teach you how to trade for yourself to become self-sufficient traders, I got all the tools you need to do so. You just need to be willing to build the house. I'll give you the exact entry points, the exact exit points, and how to set your stop loss so you get a bigger risk to reward, so you can be wrong more times than actually right and still come out profitable with these strategies that I'll teach you in the mentorship plan, just private message me over on my twitter/x.com. You find the links in the description of this video / the pinned comment section. It's going to take you to Louis_crypto, and you can private message me there for more information. Cheers.